Hello everybody. Today I have a sponsored video from Modaskin. Modaskin is a California-based skincare company. There are currently 8 products in their skincare range. They offer luxury and glamour, which everyone deserves. So I'm going to take you through a product overview of each item, starting with the Calming Milk Cleanser. You can use this day and night. It says on the bottle to apply this to a wet face and lather it. I don't find that's how you properly use a product like this. I find it works best when I apply it to dry skin, massage, add water to emulsify, and then rinse off. That really pulls out all the dirt and oil while nourishing your skin. The next item I have here is the Core Balancing Peppermint Exfoliating Cleanser. Now this uses jojoba esters, a generous amount of jojoba esters as its exfoliant. So if you like a really grainy, non-abrasive exfoliant, this is a great one for that. However, because it is such a good exfoliator, I don't recommend using this every day. This is definitely more of a treatment and not a daily skincare product. So if you have sensitive skin, I would honestly recommend using this once a week. If you have any other skin type, you can use this 2-3 times a week. Now this has come from somebody who usually exfoliates every day. I find that 2-3 times a week is sufficient with this because it really brings out all the dirt and oil in your pores, and you want to rebalance your skin with the rest of the products in the range. This is the Modaskin Hydrating Herbal Toner. It has a water and witch hazel base, and it contains quite a few herbs, which is really cool. It has calendula, ivy, licorice for brightening, horse chestnut, centella asiatica, and even a few more. This one's great for using after your cleanser to remove any excess dirt, oil, or cleanser that you missed when rinsing, and it also rehydrates your skin to prep it for moisturizer. The Modaskin Rejuvenating Collagen Serum has a hero ingredient called SynRTC Peptide. So what this does is this targets collagen type 3, which is known as the youth collagen. So with regular use, this is going to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and really give your skin that overall plumped, healthy look. It also has hyaluronic acid in it, which we all know is the master hydrator. So you can use this twice a day before applying moisturizer and sunscreen. The Modaskin Contour Rich Eye Cream contains jojoba oil, squalane, and glycerin. So what that's going to do is that's going to lock in moisture, retain moisture, and it's going to leave the skin around your eye area feeling silky smooth. So that's going to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and small crow's feet with regular use. The Modaskin Hydra-Vita Moisturizing Gel Cream is packed with vitamins, A, C, and E, as well as antioxidants such as caffeine. So it's going to moisturize and refresh your skin while also protecting it from free radicals. The Modaskin Peptide Renewal Cream has a 5-peptide complex that reduces fine lines and wrinkles, smooths the skin, and it also helps to boost collagen production. This also contains the antioxidant resveratrol, which is extracted from grapes to brighten your complexion. And also we got hyaluronic acid and squalane to lock in moisture. The Modaskin Intense Overnight Collagen Mask is my favorite item in the entire skincare range. So I'll just mention some of the ingredients, but then I'll tell you about my experience when testing it out. So this does contain hydrolyzed collagen. We've got acetohexapeptide 8, we've got palmitoyl oleopeptide, we also have squalene and glycerin to lock in moisture. So like I said, I'm just going to gloss over those ingredients. It's all on the website. Go check it out, learn all about them. Fantastic. So what I love first off is I love the texture of this. It's almost a balmy texture. It's a very unusual texture. You use this 2-3 times a week at night. After you wash your face, do your entire skincare range, yes, even after you apply your night cream, the Peptide Renewal Cream, you apply a thin layer of this, and just instantly when I put this on, like the way my skin just liked it, just instantly it was smooth, and it just felt beyond moisturized. I go to sleep, I wake up in the morning, and my skin just had that absolute healthy glow to it. And when I washed my face, did my morning skincare routine, my skin felt so soft. So this is my favorite item in the entire collection. So you can check out Modaskin at modaskin.com. And if you're curious about the routine, I would say you use the milk cleanser day and night. Use the core balancing peppermint exfoliating cleanser 2-3 times a week. Once a week if you have sensitive skin. You can use the hydrating brightening toner twice a day. You use the collagen serum twice a day. You use the contour eye cream twice a day. Here's where I would switch it up. I would use the Hydra-Vita moisturizing gel cream during the day, and I would use the Peptide Renewal cream at night. And then of course my favorite item in the entire skincare range, the Intense Overnight Collagen Mask. Use this 2-3 times a week. So they have an entire skincare range to take you from day to night. All right, thank you so much, Modaskin, for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching the video. Leave any questions or comments down below. I love it when you guys interact with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.